This is my bad hair day. This is Friday. It is the actual fourth day of having kindergarten. Kindergarten started on Tuesday because they are, it was Rosh Hashanah this week, and they gave families that holiday off. So today, being the fourth day, I'm going to see the last of my K2s I haven't seen. I have 4 K2s and 4 K1s. I have, I think, 6 ABA classes, which are the special needs separate classes. Some are autistic, but not all. And then I have 4 first grades. So as I get ready to start formulating my idea for my essay, I'm trying to decide, am I going to do a side-by-side comparison of kindergarten versus first grade, which I think makes the most sense, because in kindergarten, kids have the resources to be playful and creative. In first grade, they start being very, the teachers, in many ways, have to be more literal about their learning. So there are no longer centers, play is reduced, time is sped up, and there's a high emphasis on if they can read, if they can write, if they can, do the things that normally you think of for a little older. But there's a lot of push now, which I don't think is necessarily bad, but I don't think it's right for each child. And I guess my emphasis in the essay might be on how imagination helps the process as opposed to slows it down. Because for some of us, and I say us because I'm one of those kids who learned better through play. I knew it, but remember how soon it was truncated and I wasn't able to learn my way. So I think what I'd like to do is look at play and the imagination and try to find some vignettes of learning during the year, and how certain kids learn better that way. Certain kids are more literal, and I even have those children in dance class who, when I'm going through the process of finding ways for them to explore, will say this, and I feel like this is a very literal thing, but when are we going to dance? And I embed the dance into the exploration, but it isn't easy for every child. And so I think there's kind of a critical link between those two thoughts as well. So as I begin Friday morning, my vlog, reflection, or I should say, not a reflection yet, because the day has not started, and each day is a fresh day. I want to just imagine what the day will be like. Maybe go with the moment. And behind me, you'll see a board that I did this week, which I'm kind of excited about. I had one thing I wish my teacher knew about me, and just to see where they're at. Let them tell their story a little bit, and also see where they're at with spelling. And then later on, when I get these all on paper, I'm going to put them, or all on the computer, digitalized. I'm going to have them look back at it in a couple of weeks and say, show me. And some kids will want to do it literally, like, here I am, I lost a tooth. They'll point to their tooth. But maybe, as we go about, we can find new ways of showing it that aren't so literal. So that's my kernel of an idea. I'll try not to scrunch my face when I talk. I looked at yesterday's video and was not very pleased how I looked. But I guess it's not about me, it's about the process. So Friday, September 14th.